Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set path for the Java. Okay, first of all, I'm going to command prompt, type cmd, type Java there. I have already installed Java. It's showing Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay guys, I have already downloaded the Java in my systems. Now I'm going to set path for the Java. Okay guys, first of all, go to your PC, go to the C drive. Okay, go to the program files, and down there you see the Java. Go to JDK. Okay, go to the pin, then copy this path. Close. Okay, now again go to your PC, go to the properties, and go to the advanced systems setting. Okay, then there you go, environment variables. Click on the path down there. Okay, go to the new and paste the path you have already copied. Okay, click on OK button, click on OK, and just minimize this windows. Then again go to the command prompt, then type Java C. Okay guys, successfully done. Okay guys, now no warnings there, and it's being successfully installed and set path in the system. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channels for the more video updates. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, share. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thank you guys.